Welcome learners to Form 2 Mathematics. My name is Teacher Jane. Today, dear learners, I want us to look at what we call linear inequalities and specifically how to solve linear inequalities. Let us look at this example, learner, so that at the end of the lesson, I'll give you these two questions to do on linear inequalities. I'll give you some two questions down here. I hope you can see them. You try them out, you follow what I've done, you follow the steps, and then I've given you the answers here. Go and practice with them. So learner, let us look at this example. You are told, solve 4 less than or equal to 3x minus 2, which is less than 9 plus x. Hence, list the integral values. Look at this, learner. The integral values that satisfy the inequality. How do you go about this? The first thing, learner, is to come and rewrite your inequality. Write it down again so that you can see it clearly. There we are. From there, learner, subdivide this inequality into 2 inequalities. The first inequality, learner, starts from here. From here all the way up to where? Up to just before the second inequality sign. Just before, up to there. It starts from here all the way up to just before the second inequality sign. So up to there. So you write it down. 4 less than 3x minus 2. That is the first one. The second one, learner, starts from where? It starts from just after. Look at this. Just after the first inequality here, all the way up to the end. Look at that. The second one starts from just after the first inequality here, all the way up to the end. There we are. So we write it down. 3x minus 2 less than 9 plus x. There we are. Then we come and solve one at a time. We come to this. Bring 3x to this side and 4 you take it to the other side. So bringing this to this side, it becomes negative 3x less than, you write negative 2. Then taking this to this side, learn, just like the way we do with the equations. Taking this to this side, it becomes negative 4. Okay? Take this to this side, this to this side, the way we do in equations. From here, learner, you see, this is negative 3x less than negative 2, negative 4 is negative 6. Look at that, learner. From here, divide both sides by this negative 3. Divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3 on both sides. Learner, this cancels out with that. Here, there is something that you need to take very, very seriously. That whenever you divide an inequality with a negative number, whenever you divide an equality with a negative number, remember, okay, sorry, this one had equal to, So I was saying, whenever you divide an inequality with a negative number, like the way we've done here, divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3, the inequality sign, this one, changes. It changes, and therefore we get x greater than, look at it, greater than or equal to what? 2. There we are. The inequality sign changes once you divide both sides by negative number or even multiply with a negative number. So there we are with a simple inequality. We come to this one, learner. Take x to this side and take negative 2 to the other side. That is, bring the like terms together. So you'll have 3x, bringing this to this side, it becomes minus x less than 9. Take negative 2 to this side, it becomes plus 2. This is negative 3x minus x. Take this, it becomes plus. So this minus this, learner, is 2x less than what? 11. Divide by 2. Here we are dividing by a positive number, so the sign will not change. So divide by 2 here, divide by 2, learner, you get x less than 5.5. Another simple inequality. From here, learner, bring the two together to form what we call combined statement. Combine the two, combined inequality or combined statement. So how do you bring this and this together? What you do, you check on the smaller number. You have 2 and 5.5. You start with the smaller number. You have 2 and 5.5, so you start with this one. You write 2, then you read from this side. If you read from this side, learner, it will be 2 is less than or equal to x. 2, if you read from the right, 2 is less than or equal to x. So you come and write 2 is less than, look at this, less than or equal to x. There we are, still the same thing. 2 is less than x. 2 is less than x. Then you now continue with this. You write, but x is less than 5.5. This is what we call combined statement or inequality. From here, learner, what are we told? We are told, look at this up here, I hope you can see, you are told to list the integral values, integer values of x. Integer values of x that satisfy the inequality. How do you go about that? Just put down a number line. It will help you. Right here 0, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth, like that. So your x is greater than or equal to 2. So you come to 2, so 2 is included. X is equal to or greater than 2. So 2 is included. So one value of x or the lowest value is 2. 2 is equal, x is equals to 2. And then all the way, but x is less than what? We need a 6 here, learner. I hope you can see this. We need a 6 here so that we go to 5.5. Around here we have 5.5. So it will be 2 or more than all the way up to where? 5.5, but 5.5 is not included. It is not included. So our integral values, learner, are 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.5 is not included. So you come and write the integer values or the integral values of x, learner, are which ones? You start with the 2. X is equals to 2 or more. So 2, 3, 4, 5. There we are. So we have 4 integral values of x. Learner, go and practice with these two inequalities. You solve them and hence list the integral values of x that satisfy the two. Again, you have the answers there. All the best, dear learners, as you practice on inequalities. We are here to pass in mathematics. Just practice. God bless you and thank you. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also share with others. Thank you.